We all know video is taking over on our social media platforms, but does that mean static images are now dead? I think there will always be a place for a variety of forms of content because people like to consume content in a variety of formats. But we have seen, particularly in this last year, short form style video content is taking centre stage with TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and now also Facebook Reels. Our attention span is getting shorter. We want information fast, but also with so much going on online and on our social media feeds, we need to be creating visuals that stand out and grab people's attention in order to stop the scroll. So if you aren't creating a particular video or reel, but you'd like to share an inspirational quote or a static image of some kind, how can you make it even more engaging and attract the attention it deserves? Well, that's where creating your own animated GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it, that you can use on your social media posts comes in. Because let's face it, how fun will it be to have your very own GIF of yourself that you can add to your static images, which will turn those static posts into videos, which the algorithm at the moment is pushing out there even more. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own animated GIF of yourself for free that you can use time and time again on your social media posts. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham and I am a multi-award winning social media and business performance coach, and I help ambitious business owners and entrepreneurs just like yourself to position themselves online as the go-to authority in their own industry so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. If you would like to see my weekly regular trainings, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so first of all, you're going to record yourself making a movement with a blank background behind you. Then you're going to go to unscreen.com and upload that clip from your photo library. Once you've done that, you can choose that clip and it will upload to Unscreen, taking the background out. So you've got your very own GIF. So you go down, press download, and I'm on an iPhone here. So I'm going to download, so press on the download, and then I'm going to upload that to my camera roll. So add to photos, and then I'm going to go over to canva.com, and on the left hand side you've got upload. So I'm going to upload that GIF, and obviously I've already put my quote and everything else, and you can see it's uploading on the left hand side. So when you press on it, you can see it's got a bit of a black smudge mark at the bottom. So I'm going to go up to crop, and I'm going to get rid of that, and obviously just crop it down, and then click done, and then I can move that GIF to wherever I want on that image and resize it. And there you have it. You've got your very own animated GIF added onto your motivational quote. So all you do is go to share in the top right and then download, and make sure you download it as an MP4 video. Okay, so there you have it. How to make your very own animated GIF of yourself for free using Unscreen and Canva. As always, I love hearing feedback from you guys, so also let me know in the comments if you found this video useful, and let me know what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.